Alright, so there we go. And when you get done, you can go back over with the other brushes and just kind of like, all that detail is going to be there. It does move around quite slowly now that it doesn't have, if it's made out of a million polys, but you can go in and kind of move things around to kind of get an idea and over exaggerate certain things. So a lot of blending. Alright, so other things that you might want to try if you're doing fur in Blender, and that's the pinch brush. So what this will do, it'll kind of pull forms together. So if you have so you kind of want to go with the fur with this.